Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your study abroad resources with University of California. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official University of California website. Navigate to the Study Abroad section. Explore the various programs offered across different campuses. Identify the destination or region you are interested in. Review the program details, including duration, cost, and eligibility. Take note of application deadlines for your chosen program. Research funding options and scholarships available for study abroad. Gather information about credit transfer procedures. Connect with academic advisors at your home institution for guidance. Reach out to program alumni for first-hand insights and experiences. Attend study abroad fairs or information sessions hosted by your university. Utilize social media platforms to join study abroad groups. Download any available resources or guides provided by the university. Stay organized by using a checklist for documents needed for application. Complete your application with accurate and thorough information. Prepare for interviews or additional requirements, if applicable. Seek recommendations from professors or mentors early in the process. Double-check your application before submission. Keep track of all communications with study abroad offices. Follow up on your application status after submission. Stay engaged with your peers who are also participating in the program. Plan for pre-departure orientations offered by the university. Familiarize yourself with cultural and academic practices of your host country. Pack wisely, considering both personal needs and local customs. Prepare a budget plan for your time abroad. Finally, embrace the experience and remain open to new opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.